Welcome to the Hiland family fine craft cycles. It begins by unpacking it from the box. Make sure all the tools and accessories are in package. The required tools for install are a number 4 and number 5 hex or Allen wrench, a cross screwdriver, a number 15 open-end wrench. It would be better if you have a Phillips screwdriver, and vice grips or lineman's pliers. Step 1. Assemble the handlebar. Rotate the stem 180 degrees clockwise. It's very important, or the front wheel might hit your foot when riding. Then put the line to this place. Using the hex Allen wrench, unscrew the bolts on the stem and remove the protector. Insert the stem into the head tube. Then screw the bolt tightly. Attention! Make sure the direction of the handlebar perpendicular to the frame. Use screwdriver to loosen the screw on the derailleur lever. And place it under the handlebar. Then tighten the derailleur lever by screwdriver. Step 2. Assemble the saddle seat. Using the hex Allen wrench, unscrew the bolt of the clamp. Place the saddle onto the seat on the bike. Adjust the seat height and position for the rider's comfort, and tighten it in place. Step 3. Assemble the front wheel. Take apart the axle assembly by unscrewing the nut. Then we take apart the quick release. Put the front wheel on the fork. Insert the quick release, then tighten it. Step 4. Assemble the pedals. Place the correct pedals marked L or R onto the crank arm, and rotate them using the open-end wrench until tight. For the right pedal, rotate clockwise to tighten. For the left pedal, rotate counterclockwise. Use number 15 open-end wrench to tighten the pedals, or the pedal may loose when riding. Step 5. Adjust the brake cable. Put the brake cable through the slotted hole of the front brake, and use number 4 hex fix it on the front brake. If you have lineman's pliers, you can subtract the excess. If you have any questions, please contact us soon. At Hiland, our bicycles are finely crafted by cyclists just like you. We welcome you to the Hiland family of cycles and cycling products, and always remember to ride safely.